I'm Philip Wilson, Managing Director of Slipstream Design. We're based in the UK and we specialise in RF and digital systems, particularly advanced digital beamforming. ASTRO is advancing direct digital beamforming. It enables us to capture multiple channels, transmit and receive, to digitally signal, process them on board and to stream them securely down a INQ based data link. ASTRO incorporates a low-powered RF front end with 8 channels of transmit and receive. This is a separate module that allows us to give the products a unique RF identity. So, for example, we have a 5G front-end module, so 8 transmit and 8 receive, and we used Cadence-based products, particularly the small signal analysis of the transmit and receive chains, focusing on the filter characteristics, but also the importance of making sure that the gain flatness is within the requirements. We'll use VSS to complete a system model of the RF chain, and that allows us to de-risk part of the first phase. So we'll understand the key RF performance of the transmit and receive. We then expand that further into this sort of smaller signal-based sort of analysis, which we're then going to start to bring out unique features that we'll use in the printed circuit board design. Alongside that, we'll typically be doing EM modelling as well on some of the complex printed circuit boards via technology. Firstly, we've used Cadence AWR software for 15 years as a business, so it's a tool that is integral. So we'll use the first phase of the design process through the modelling into the preliminary review. And then as we progress that through into the design, we'll bring the results back from the practical on the bench measurements into the review process and compare directly the original models with what we achieved on the bench. And at that point, we'll typically have quite a close match using the tools. And should there be any minor changes, we can tweak that design appropriately. So we're already operating large instantaneous bandwidths. You're likely to see additional modules connected to the system at a higher frequency. So in particular, X-band and above based multi-channel modules with down conversion stages for large instantaneous bandwidths at baseband. We specialise in the convergence of RF and digital and RF. We use AWR Cadence-based software to achieve that. Without that, it would be very, very challenging to design and create the next generation of electronic RF systems.